Darn it, the hiccups went away. I was trying to keep my hiccups so I could show you how to get rid of hiccups, and it went away. Because I was setting up the camera, so I was leaning like this, and I guess it went away on its own. So, yeah, most of the time when you get your hiccups, you're sitting down, you're relaxing. So how do you get rid of it while you're chilling, right? What you do with water is, again, you hold your breath and you take a gulp. And as the water's going down, you lean forward like this, lean your upper body forward, slanted like this as the water's going down, and the water should break up your hiccup pattern. It sounds like I don't know, like a frog. I mean, any way you sit is fine. Like normally I watch TV like this. Oh no, I have the hiccups. What do I do? Water, hold your breath and drink it. See, that's the sound it makes when you hiccup.